आज परफॉर्मेंस है।
थोड़ा मैं घबराई हुई हूँ।
अभी हम चलेंगे शादी पे। Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, now I know what you all are thinking, that what in this world happened to my hair. So, funny story. Yesterday I went to the parlor with my mom because it's wedding season. It's my cousin's wedding today. Yeah. Anyways, so yesterday I went into the parlor and my mom was like, "Do you want to change something with your hair? Like just get some highlights or straighten it and stuff." And I was like, "You know what? Let's just get a keratin treatment." So I got a keratin treatment and now my hair is straight. Anyway, so I couldn't film the whole process because it happened super spontaneously, but I still managed to get some clips on my phone. And also today I have to go for my final hair wash. After that I can finally tie my hair, because if you get a keratin treatment you are not allowed to tie your hair or wear a hairband and stuff, because it has to be super straight for almost a day. So I have to get that done, and then after that I have to go for my dance rehearsal, get my dress and then get ready. And then I have to perform in front of 300 people. So yeah, I'm super excited, super nervous and super late. So I'll see you later. रिहर्सल पे आ चुकी है और ये मैं हूँ, ये हमारा स्पीकर है और ये हमारी पार्टी चल रही है। अभी हम सब लोग, मैं वीडियो निकाल रही थी। हाँ, मासी को लगा कि हम तैयार हो के आएंगे। मासी अपने शादी वाली ड्रेस पहन के आ गई। मासी ये रात को पहननी है।
तेरे लिए रेडी हो के आई है।
यूट्यूब के लिए इतना अच्छा गाउन पहन के आई है। गुड़िया तो अभी हम हमारा डांस रिहर्सल से आ चुके हैं फाइनली। सबने अच्छे से एक बार लास्ट प्रैक्टिस कर दी। अभी सब अपने अपने घर चले गए, हम भी जाएंगे अभी पार्लर। पहले मेरे हेयर वॉश कराएंगे, फिर उसके बाद वापस घर जाके चाय वाय पी के खाना वाना खा के फिर मम्मी जाएगी अपना पार्लर कराने और मैं जाऊँगी अपनी ड्रेस बनाने। तो बाय। सो आई एम नाउ हियर एट द पार्लर, बट अभी इनका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बंद हो गया है तो हेयर वॉश का वो नहीं चलेगा और फिर उसके बाद ब्लो ड्राई का मशीन नहीं चल रहा है, तो मुझे यहाँ पे औरतें रुकना पड़ेगा और मैं यहाँ पे सबके सामने वीडियो निकाल रही हूँ एंड इट इज़ रियली ऑकवर्ड। सो हाँ I'm back home right now, and right now it's 7:15 and I have to get ready by like 8:30. My mom has gone to the parlor, but I'm gonna get ready on my own because I don't like the parlor wala makeup and stuff. So I have my dress. It's a grey dress and all the makeup stuff. I don't know how to use them, but I'll figure it out. So yeah, I'm quickly gonna get ready right now and see you guys later. Hey guys, so I have changed into my outfit and it's a little grey crop top with this side draping and latkans in the side and a really cute plazo which is like fully embellished. So yeah, the outfit looks really cute. It's from the brand Dory, but there's a teeny little problem, and that's the blouse is kind of loose, but it's okay, we'll work with it because we have to work with it. So I'm gonna quickly get on to the makeup and stuff because it's 8:09 and I'm super late, like super late. So bye. Okay, so I have to do my makeup right now, but the problem is I don't know how to do makeup, but you know what, we're just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna start with like kajal or something. So there's the kajal. Okay, so I'm done with the kajal right now. It isn't even showing that much. I don't know how people apply those very dark, thick kajals. Like, it's impossible for me to have a thick layer of kajal because it always smudges and messes up. So, yeah. Next thing, I guess I'm gonna apply lipstick. It's the Revlon 16-hour working lipstick. Hey sisters. Anyways, so I'm sorry if any beauty guru or like a very professional person is watching this makeup because I know I suck. Anyways, so this lipstick doesn't look good. I have to change it. Okay, so now that we are done with like the most easiest thing of makeup, that is kajal and lipstick, because that's all I know, we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I bought this new eyeshadow palette from the Tropics. I don't even know how to use it. I mean, I know it's applied on the eyes and you use it like this, but I mess it up every time. Still, I'm gonna try and do my makeup. So okay, so I first applied like a black eyeshadow and I was like, you know what, it doesn't look good. So after that I applied like a white eyeliner or white kajal over the black eyeshadow, and it actually kind of looks good. I mean, like, wow, look at my eyes. I am so proud of myself right now. So okay, so my eyes look pretty good right now. I mean, they look amazing. Okay, seriously, I like it a lot. Anyway, so now I think like I should give a bit structure to my face. So I don't know how to contour, and I have this brown lipstick and I'm just gonna apply it here and smudge it. I can mess it up, but I'm gonna take that risk. So I don't know how to blend this shit and it's kind of annoying. Ta-da! My look is done. That's it. I'm not gonna apply anything else because every time like I try doing makeup, I'm like, you know what, let's try this, and I miss the decent makeup that I have done. So I'm not gonna do anything else, and my makeup is done. Okay, so I'm ready right now. Like, I look amazing. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm ready right now and my eyes look amazing. I really love them. Like, for the first time I have not messed everything up, and I also wore these really nice tiny grey flower earrings because gray. So yeah, I'm now just gonna call my mom because I guess we're super late, and yeah, I'll see you later. Hey guys, so once again finally my whole outfit and my makeup जो मैंने किया है, खुद से किया है, still proud of it. Anyways, so I'm already late, but like my mom hasn't arrived yet, so till the time I'm gonna click some pictures and then later I'll show you my mom's outfit and makeup also, because my mom's outfit also like really nice and her makeup is done by professionals, and she asked me to show her in the vlog and her dress in the vlog, so that's why. Anyways, so I'm gonna click some pictures right now, and after that I have to go to the wedding and I have to dance in front of 300 people. So anyways, bye. Okay, तो मैंने अभी अपना पूरा ही आउटफिट चेंज कर दिया क्योंकि वो टॉप बहुत ज़्यादा ढीला था, इसलिए अब मैं एक ब्लैक मैक्सी पहना है पूरा। और मम्मी यहाँ पे है, मम्मी पूरा पार्लर से मेकअप करा के आई है यहाँ पे। और थोड़ा घूम के बताओ आपका आउटफिट वगैरह। अभी हम चलेंगे शादी पे। हाय निशा।
हाय। से लग रहा है कुछ नहीं लग रहा है।
अभी आपकी डांस परफॉर्मेंस है।
थोड़ा मैं घबराई हुई हूँ, बहुत डर लग रहा है कि मेरा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा जाए, नहीं तो मुझे बहुत फील होगा कि मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, फर्स्ट टाइम कर रही हूँ, डर बहुत लग रहा है।
ठीक है चलो। यहाँ पे अभी सब बैक स्टेज है। हाँ, कैसा लग रहा है आपका अभी परफॉर्मेंस है?
बहुत टेंस हूँ बट अच्छा ही होगा, आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट।
मासी
और चित्रा में से किसको ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है? ये क्या है? पहले क्वेश्चन में ही यहाँ पे दोनों एक दूसरे से एग्री नहीं करते। ठीक है, आप दोनों की जब भी थोड़ी बहुत नोकझोंक होती है, पहले कौन सॉरी बोलता है? क्यों, कौन बोलता है भाई, बताओ ना। हाँ, तो ऐसे करो ना, पता चलेगा। मतलब ये अभी सही राह पे चल रहा है, ठीक है ना, बिकॉज गर्ल्स आर ऑलवेज राइट, है ना, सही बात है, डेफिनेटली। हाँ, तो ये सीख लो आप।